Hello! In this lecture, we will continue with levels. Firstly, if I select level 2, there are temporary dimensions 3000 mm and 3000 mm. If I click on 3000 and change to 4000. So now the level 2 moved down. Click again, 3000, move up. So the level selected will change. Okay, only the level selected. Click on change to 2000. So level 2 moved down. I can click on make this temporal dimension permanent. It's permanent. Can click and lock. So this dimension now is locked. I can change. Okay. So for example, if I click and move, this dimension is locked 3000 and 3000. Now Ctrl Z, select, unlock and unlock, and delete. Select again temporal dimension. This square, if I click, show bubble. So the bubble at left, and there is bubble at right. I can click at each levels and show bubble. So level 1, level 2, level 3, and select level 3 and hide bubble. Hide bubble. Just tick and show bubble. If I select any level, there is a lock. What is this lock? Click on this circle and extend the level. All level extends. All levels. Okay. Without this level, I will delete whatever. Okay. So all level extend together. If I unlock this level, so unlock and extend. So now the level extend lonely. Okay. The same concept. Try it. Unlock. Now select and wait the snap. Okay. Lock again. And extend and wait the snap. Okay, lock again. If I click on level 2, there is an elbow. If I click, an elbow, if there are many levels close, so I can create an elbow. If I have an level 3000, 3100, 3200, I can create an elbow. Okay. And now, if I want to select the level 5, create an elbow. And now I will see the north, the elevation north. The level 5 is horizontal, south, horizontal, and west, no elbow. Now click east again. Now click on this elevations and propagate extend. Only the elevation west, the parallel elevations, and click OK. Now open west, so the level change now. Click and click east. OK, so change. Select now any level and click properties. What is the properties of level? Level 8 mm head, elevation 3000, story above default, scope box none, name level 2, I can change, and structural building story. I can click edit type, line weight is 1, I can change 4 and apply the weight of line. The color can change to green, for example, and apply. All level now are green. The type black. If I change these options, all level will change. Okay, because all level have the same type. I change now the type. Okay, all level. If I click level 8 mm head, level 8 mm head, all level have the same type. So click again, edit type, line pattern, center. Can you click center, dash, dash dot, any. Symbol M level head circle. Can you click no bubble? So no bubble. And symbol at end 1 default or at end 2. What's end 1 and end 2? End 2, so the bubble is at end 2. If I create any level, click level, cancel now, and draw this level from left to right. So the bubble will be at end 2. This point is end 1 and end 2. And if I draw from right to left, the bubble is this end 1 and this end 2. So the bubble is in the second point. Okay, now if I click edit type or select this level, edit type, and tick the pause, so the bubble is at end 1, at end 2, end 1 and end 2. Now delete. Okay, now level 1, level 2, I will delete the others. For example, if I create a new level, level pick line 3000 and click. So level 32, I will change to story 1. Story 1, yes. Click and copy, or I can click level, not copy, and pick lines. Story 2, story 3, story 2, story 3, story 4, and I will continue. For example, 3000, 3000. I make a mistake, for example, and the dimension will be 4000. I will delete and draw again 4000 millimeter. Now story 4, story 7. That's a mistake, so I can double click and rename story 5 and continue. Level, pick lines, 4000, story 5, story 6. So this is the solution.